Hello, dear students. In this entire video series of programming and data structures, we will be using Atom software, Atom software to type, compile, and run C programs. So just go through this procedure of installing Atom and after that setting some few things so that libraries will be installed properly. So first thing is you Google out Atom to download it. You will get Atom for Linux, Atom for Windows. Doesn't make any difference actually because Atom runs on most of the platforms. Like you can see, use it on OS X, Windows, or Linux. So it doesn't make any difference. Just go to this atom.io Atom page, and you will see as I am using Windows, it has already detected that it is Atom for Windows, and I download it. It's a very small file, hardly takes some time. I have already downloaded that file, and let me go to download. It's already open here, I'm so sorry. And in this atom setup dash x64.exe, this is the file you will get. You just have to run this file and just keep accepting the options and keep clicking next, and atom will get installed. Okay, once the atom is installed, let's run it. So here we are, atom software. Once started for the first time, you will have to do some settings. So this is the welcome window. I'll just close this tab, welcome tab, and again welcome guide. I'll close this untitled guide. I'll close this. There is one option asked here, register as default Atom. I generally click no here. Okay. Now before you type and run some program in C, you will have to go to packages, and you will have to go to settings view. In settings view, you will have to click on install packages or themes, and you will be asked to search the packages of your interest. Let's type GPP compiler here, GPP compiler. And you will see GPP compiler is the most favorable compiler for us. It can be used for compiling and running C and C++ within Atom. So you just have to install it. In my case, GPP compiler is already installed, so it is showing uninstall. You do whatever is needed at that particular time. You just click on install if it is showing that option. Okay, once you have installed this GPP compiler, that's not all. To run, compile and run C programs, you will have to install something called mingw also, MINGW. For that, you again Google out capital M min GW, the installer. Okay, just check. You will get this page, getting started mingw. This one, getting started mingw. I found this most favorable page where you can comfortably download mingw. Now you just scroll down and you will see here, click on this file mingw get setup.exe. On clicking this, this file will get downloaded, and you just have to run it with all the options as accepted. One very important thing is, never ever change the predefined installation path. The predefined installation path is C drive C colon mingw. Why I'm saying this is because many of you might be thinking that some software or something should be installed in program files, but mingw needs to be in the root directory of C drive. So, and it will show this option and never change it. Okay, I have already downloaded it. Let's go to download folders, and this is the one, mingw get setup.exe. I just executed it, and I installed this. Okay, the next thing is, let's go back to this Atom, and let's open some file. I have already typed a file. In your case, you might have to click on new file and type it. So here is this structure of C program. I'll just open it. This is a very simple file which I have already typed. Otherwise, you can just click on file, new window, nothing fancy about that, new window, and you can type this file. Now to run this file, you just have to right click on it and select compile and run. and the program will be executed in a new window showing the output in that window. So the output of this program is going to be welcome to C programming. Yeah, that's it. Welcome to C programming. It was a very simple program, having only one printf and printing welcome to C programming. So I hope you will go through this procedure and install Atom and install the other libraries, GPP compiler and MinGW also. Thank you very much.